Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to solve day 22 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today I'm going to solve problem number 2418, sort the people. Okay, so this is easy level problem, so that's why we are not going to take much time to solve this problem today. So in this problem you are given an array of strings, names and an array heights that consist of distinct positive integers. Both arrays are of length n. For each index I, names of I and heights of I denote the name and height of the ith person, and we have to return the names sorted in descending order by the people's height. Okay, so see this example number 1. So here Mary, so for Mary height is 180. Okay, for John height is 165, and for Emma height is 170. Okay, height is 170. So to solve this problem, what I am going to do, I am going to use TreeMap. Okay, so TreeMap is a ordered map in which keys are sorted in increasing order. Okay, so I am going to take heights as my key, 165. Okay, and then after that 170 will come, then after that 180 will come. Okay, so 165 is the height of John, 170 is the height of Emma, and 180 is the height of Mary. Okay, so this is done. So I am going to create a tree map in which keys are sorted in increasing order. Okay, so tree map is a ordered map. Okay, so this is what we are going to do first, and in the end I am going to iterate over this map in descending order. Okay, so first I am going to return this name. So this name is M, means Mary. So first I am going to return Mary here, then after that Emma, so I am going to return Emma, and then after that I am going to return J for Jones. Okay, so this is what we need to do. So now let's write the code for this problem. So now first let's calculate the length. Okay, so int n is equal to names dot length. Then we have to use ordered map, right? So here I am going to write tree map, and inside this I am passing heights. So for that I am going to write integer, and I am going to pass the names. So here I am going to write a string, and let's name it as map, new tree map. Okay, so this is done. Now after that let's iterate over all the elements one by one. So here I am going to run one loop, int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, and inside this map I map dot put. So here first thing that I need to put is height. Okay, so HIGHTS, heights of I, and then this heights of I is going to be my key, right? And my value is going to be names of I. Okay, so tree map is a order map, so all these values are in increasing order. Okay, so like this: 165 John, 170 Emma, 180 Mary. Okay, so this is how it's there. Okay, in my map. Now after that we have to iterate over the tree map in descending order and update names. Okay, so for that initialize I as 0 first, and then after that for map dot entry, and here inside this I am going to pass integer, I am going to pass string, and let's name it as entry. And now what is my map name? My map name is map, and I am going to convert it to descending map. So descending map. Okay, once this is done, then after that just write entry set. So I am going to iterate, okay, one by one. So what do I need to print? I need to update my names of I. So here I am going to write just names of I is equal to entry dot get value. Okay, this is done. Then just increment the I. Okay, and in the end I am just going to return names. Okay, that's it. So here just return names, and here it is string of names array. Okay, so here I need to just write it like this. Okay, so now let's run it. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? And since we are using a tree map here, so my overall time complexity for this problem is going to be of n log n. Okay, so I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you.